Hey, I want to invite you into a space that is slow by design, honest by necessity, and grounded in care. Crown Keepers is a space for people who are committed to protecting the identity, dignity, and possibility of Black boys, not just in theory, but in the everyday ways we show up in our classrooms, in our homes, in our community, and within ourselves. In part two of this masterclass, we're going to be spending time naming the realities Black boys are navigating right now, from increased surveillance and shrinking adult infrastructure to the ways digital content shapes identity when mentorship is missing. And we'll also be turning that lens inward. Because the ecosystems we create are shaped by the patterns we carry. This is not a lecture. It's not a panel. It's not about having the right language. It's a guided, reflective experience where you'll engage, research, move through a self-assessment with honesty, and sit with moments from film and media that reveal how identity and emotion are read and misread, and connect those insights to a framework that helps us to think about power, emotional access, belief systems, repair, and impact. You'll have a space to reflect privately, a space to talk in small community, and a space to leave with one concrete shift that feels possible in the next 30 days. If you consider yourself someone who helps shape the world Black boys are becoming, this space was designed with you in mind. Crown Keepers Masterclass Part 2 happens Thursday, January 29th. I'd love to have you with us.